As countries around the world aim to reduce the amount of fossil fuels they use and cut greenhouse gas emissions, we're hearing more and more about heat pumps. In many future energy scenarios, heat pumps are expected to become the dominant heating technology around the world, replacing vast numbers of gas and oil heating systems.
Heat pumps use electricity to move heat from the outdoor air, the ground, or water sources and put it to use to warm a building or to heat up water. The parts inside a heat pump are very similar to those in air conditioning units and refrigerators. Ground source heat pumps take heat from the ground using a deep borehole or a system of pipes that can be spread across a piece of land. Air source heat pumps use a fan to draw air across a large surface area and extract the heat from it. Once the heat has been extracted, the heat pump uses a compressor to increase the temperature to a useful level. This heat can then be supplied to a building.